I mean, things don't always work out. Well, Cam, I think she wants her doll. I don't know where it is. When you squeeze the doll, it says Mom. Did you know that clue? The doll says Mommy. The doll says Mommy. The doll says Mommy. But you gotta love it when you do.
Silly girl.